Hello, I'm Chris Rayburn, Vice President of Managed Services here at ALSK Communications, Alaska's largest IT managed services provider. One question that we get most frequently about cloud and cloud migrations from businesses of all sizes is where to start. What's the workload that makes the most sense to move, and how do they go about it? Well, that answer varies from business to business. One element is common to most Alaska businesses in that we aren't focusing enough on business continuity and the ability to respond in the event of a disaster, natural, man-made, or otherwise. This is something that Alaskans we understand very well in our own home and personal lives. We have emergency preparedness plans, we brief our families, some neighborhoods practice their disaster preparedness plan, we all have a go bag, and we have all those sorts of things that make sense for us as Alaskans to prepare in the event of emergency. Business continuity is the same sort of thing, but having to do with their IT infrastructure to make sure that businesses that are facing a natural disaster or an employee-based disaster or an event such as weather, it may be simple as weather, can continue to operate, continue to maintain itself as an ongoing business with zero to little downtime and continue to serve customers as they go down the path. 4 areas that make sense from a cloud perspective that help businesses remain in operation through all kinds of events would be hosted phones or voice over internet protocol, or VoIP, moving to a hosted phone platform that hosts phone service in the cloud. Hosted applications such as Office 365 that allow productivity from anywhere and the same access from anywhere in the world that they would have if they were sitting at their desk. Disaster recovery, which is creating replicas of the servers and server environment so that a company that experiences an outage can quickly spin up that alternate infrastructure and have their business operate from that alternate infrastructure. And then simple backup, backing up the files and the data that the company needs to maintain for regulatory purposes, needs to maintain in order to maintain operations. If every Alaska business just did those 4 things, invested in hosted phones or hosted VoIP, invested in hosted applications like Office 365, invested in backup, and invested in cloud-based disaster recovery, they'd stand a lot better chance of being able to withstand any potential disruption that they may face.